everyone, welcome to Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you how to make raisins at home. That's right, instead of buying them from outside, we are going to make them right at home. So now let's begin our process.
So guys, the process of turning the grapes into Kishmish is actually very easy. All I've done here is taken some grapes and thoroughly rinse them, and after that I am just removing the grapes which look a little old or they've gone a little bad, so I'm just discarding those. And after discarding them, guys, I weighed these grapes and it comes to about 165 grams. And now guys, we are simply going to add these grapes to hot boiling water, and we are going to boil it for the next 5 minutes or until you start seeing some cracks on the surface of the grapes. So guys, do you notice that the grapes are sitting at the bottom of the pan? You will know that they are thoroughly cooked, or it's time for the grapes to come out when they start floating on top of the water instead of sitting on the bottom.
And guys, if you do like my recipe, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be first to watch my future videos. And it's free, so why wait? And now let's proceed.
And this is where we are at right now. Our grapes are floating. It was just within 5 minutes on high flame, and I'm just going to show you one of these grapes. Look at it. See, the color has also changed and there is a crack on the outer shell of the grape, so it's perfect. Now it's time for us to drain the water and remove the grapes. And now guys, in a plate, you can take any plate, I'm going to cover it up with a cloth, and then take all the grapes and drop them on that cloth and spread them evenly so that they dry off. And then guys, I'm going to fold the corners of the same cloth on top of the grapes and lightly tap on them. This will take away all the extra moisture from the grapes. We are going to keep it like this for the next 5 to 10 minutes, then uncover, and then we are going to place this plate in the sun for the next 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, guys, look at our raisins, our kishmish. It's perfect. They're ready and they're looking just absolutely delicious. You can store them in an airtight container and they will last way longer. Also guys, you remember in the start we had taken about 165 grams of grapes. After weighing these kishmish, it came to about 25 grams of kishmish. So guys, it's not very economical, but by the end of the day, any homemade product is better than buying from outside because we don't know what chemicals they use. So do let me know what you think about this process.
So guys, you saw how easy it is to make raisins at home. Next time onwards, do not buy raisins from outside, make it at home, and remember me or thank me or comment to me or like my video. And guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so right now. If you like this video, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So do click on these links and I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.